Hey aviation fans, imagine the roar of engines that changed warfare and travel forever. Today, we explore every Focke Wulf aircraft ever made, from humble beginnings to World War II legends. Let's take off. Focke Wulf A-16, 1924. Our journey starts with the A-16, Focke Wulf's first success, a light passenger transport that put them on the map. It was reliable for short hops in the 1920s. One crew, Siemens-Halske 11 Schillings engine, top speed 135 km per hour, range 550 km. Wingspan 13.9 m, length 8.5 m, height 2.3 m. First flight June 1924, over 20 built. What I love about it is how it showed early innovation in compact design, setting the stage for bigger things. A true pioneer. Focke Wulf A-17 Mo, 1927. Next up, the A-17 Mo, an 8-passenger airliner named after the gull for its graceful flights. It was used for commercial routes across Europe. Two crew, Siemens Jupiter 6 engine, top speed 201 km per hour, range 800 km. Wingspan 20 m, length 14.63 m. First flight 1927, 20 built. This bird added real value by making air travel more accessible. Think of it as an early budget airline. Focke Wulf A-20 Habicht, 1927. The A-20 Habicht, or Hawk, was a 4-passenger feeder liner for short regional flights. Compact and efficient, it complemented larger airliners. One crew, Mercedes D.IIA engine, top speed 145 km per hour, wingspan 16 m, length 10.2 m, height 3 m. First flight 1927, 4 built. Its human touch? It connected small towns, bringing people closer in a growing aviation world. Focke Wulf A-32 Buzzard, 1930. Enter the A-32 Buzzard, a Buzzard-inspired airliner for 10 passengers. It was sturdy for rough fields. 1 to 2 crew, Junkers L5 engine, top speed 190 km per hour, range 900 km, wingspan 16 m, length 12.2 m, height 3.25 m. First flight 1930, 5 built. Cool fact, it embodied the spirit of exploration, helping map new routes. Focke Wulf A-33 Sperber, 1930. The A-33 Sperber, Sparrowhawk, a nimble 3-passenger airliner for quick trips. One crew, Walter Marzai engine, top speed 165 km per hour, range 550 km, wingspan 12 m, length 9.58 m, height 3 m. First flight 1930, 3 built. This little guy added value by proving small planes could be profitable. Focke Wulf A-38 Mo, 1931. Another Mo, the A-38, a 10-passenger airliner with better power for longer hauls. 3 crew, Siemens Jupiter 6 engine, top speed 204 km per hour, range 750 km, wingspan 20 m, length 15.4 m, height 5.3 m. First flight 1931, 4 built. It highlighted Focke Wulf's growth in reliable passenger service, a step toward modern aviation. Focke Wulf F-19 Entei, 1927. The quirky F-19 Entei, or Duck, an experimental canard aircraft for utility roles. One crew, 2 Siemens 14 Schillings engines, top speed 142 km per hour. Wingspan 10 m, length 10.53 m, height 4.15 m. First flight September 1927, 2 built. Its odd design taught valuable lessons in aerodynamics, innovation at its best. Focke Wulf GL-18, 1926. The GL-18, a light transport for 5 people, evolved into the GL-22. One crew, 2 Siemens 12 Schillings engines, top speed 166 km per hour, range 900 km. Wingspan 16 m, length 11 m, height 3 m. First flight August 1926, 7 built total. This one added human connection by enabling family travel in the early days. Focke Wulf S-24 Kiebitz, 1928. The S-24 Kiebitz, a sporty biplane for fun flying and training. 2 crew, Siemens-Halske 4 Schillings engine, top speed 140 km per hour. Wingspan 8.9 m, length 6.25 m, height 2.25 m. First flight 1928, around 30 built. It brought joy to pilots, emphasizing aviation's recreational side. Focke Wulf FW-44 Stieglitz, 1932. The famous FW-44 Stieglitz, a biplane trainer that taught thousands to fly. 2 crew, Brahmo Sh-14A4 engine, top speed 185 km per hour, range 675 km, wingspan 9 m, length 7.3 m, height 2.7 m. First flight 1932, thousands built worldwide. Its legacy? Shaping skilled pilots who changed history. Focke Wulf FW-56 Stosser, 1933. The FW-56 Stosser, an advanced parasol trainer for budding aces. 1 crew, Argus as 10C engine, top speed 278 km per hour, range 385 km. Wingspan 10.5 m, length 7.6 m, height 2.6 m. First flight November 1933, ~1000 built. A game changer in pilot training, with a human focus on safety. Focke Wulf FW-58WE, 1937. The versatile FW-58WE, used for training, transport, and recon. 4 crew, 2 Argus as 10C engines, top speed 254 km per hour, range 690 km. Wingspan 21 m, length 14.1 m, height 4.2 m. First flight 1935, 1,350 built. It saved lives as an ambulance, adding real humanitarian value. Focke Wulf FW-61, 1936. The groundbreaking FW-61, the world's first practical helicopter. 1 crew, Brahmo Sh-14A engine, top speed 113 km per hour, range 230 km. Rotor diameter 7 m each, length 7.3 m, height 2.65 m. First flight June 1936, 2 built. Mind-blowing innovation that paved the way for rotary wing flight. Focke Wulf FW-62, 1937. The FW-62, a reconnaissance floatplane for naval ops. 2 crew, BMW 132 DC engine, top speed 280 km per hour, range 900 km, wingspan 12.35 m, length 11.15 m, height 4.3 m. First flight October 1937, 4 built. Essential for sea scouting, with clever engineering for water landings. Focke Wulf FW-159, 1935. The FW-159, a prototype fighter that didn't make production but tested ideas. 1 crew, Junkers Jumo 210DA engine, top speed 385 km per hour, range 650 km, wingspan 12.4 m, length 9.77 m, height 3.75 m. First flight 1935, 3 built. It taught lessons in high-performance design, failure as a teacher. Focke Wulf FW-186, 1937. The FW-186, an autogyro for reconnaissance, blending plane, and helitech. 1 crew, Siemens 14 Schillings engine, top speed 180 km per hour, range 300 km. Wingspan 12 m, length 8 m, height 3 m. First flight 1937, 1 built. A quirky hybrid that pushed boundaries in vertical flight. Focke Wulf FW-187 Focke, 1936. The twin-engine FW-187 Focke, a heavy fighter ahead of its time. 2 crew, 2 Junkers Jumo 210GAR engines, top speed 525 km per hour, wingspan 15.3 m, length 11.1 m, height 3.85 m. First flight May 1937, 9 built. Underrated gem that could have dominated skies if produced more. Focke Wulf FW-189 Uhu, 1938. The FW-189 Uhu, Eagle Owl, a twin-boom recon plane with great visibility. 3 crew, 2 Argus as 410A1 engines, top speed 344 km per hour, range 940 km, wingspan 18.4 m, length 11.9 m, height 3.1 m. First flight July 1938, 864 built. Its unique look saved countless missions through superior spotting. Focke Wulf FW-190 Würger, 1939. The iconic FW-190 Würger, Shrike, a fearsome World War II fighter. 1 crew, BMW 801 D2 engine, top speed 652 km per hour, range 900 to 1,000 km, wingspan 10.5 m, length 8.95 m, height 3.15 m. First flight June 1939, over 20,000 built. A beast that challenged Allied air superiority, engineering brilliance. Focke Wulf FW-200 Condor, 1937. The FW-200 Condor, a long-range airliner turned maritime patrol bomber. 5 crew, 4 Bravo 323R2 engines, top speed 380 km per hour, range 3,560 km, wingspan 32.85 m, length 23.45 m, height 6.3 m. First flight July 1937, 276 built. It terrorized convoys but started as a peaceful flyer, dual nature fascinating. Focke Wulf FW-191, 1942. The FW-191, a prototype medium bomber for high-speed raids. 4 crew, 2 Junkers Jumo 222 engines, top speed 600 km per hour, range sufficient for Britain. Wingspan 26 m, length 19.63 m, height 5.6 m. First flight 1942, 3 built. Ambitious but cancelled, shows wartime pressures on innovation. Focke Wulf Ta-152, 1944. The Ta-152, a high-altitude interceptor evolved from the FW-190. 1 crew, Junkers Jumo 213E engine, top speed 759 km per hour with boost, range 2,000 km, wingspan 14.44 m, length 10.82 m, height 3.36 m. First flight 1944, 69 built. Last-ditch defender, incredibly fast for its era. Focke Wulf Ta-154 Moskito, 1943. The wooden Ta-154 Moskito, a night fighter mimicking the British Mosquito. 2 crew, 2 Junkers Jumo 213E engines, top speed 650 km per hour, range 1,365 km, wingspan 16 m, length 12.45 m, height 3.5 m. First flight July 1943, 28 built. Clever use of wood during shortages, resourceful engineering. Focke Wulf FA-330, 1943. Finally, the FA-330, a towed rotor kite for U-boat spotting. 1 crew, unpowered, top speed 80 km per hour on tow. Rotor diameter 7.32 m, length 4.42 m. First flight August 1942, 200 built. Simple yet effective, a testament to minimalist design in war. And that's every Focke Wulf aircraft ever made, from transports to fighters. Their innovations shaped aviation history. If you enjoyed this, like, subscribe, and comment your favorite. Thanks for watching. Fly safe.